Setting boundaries at work is one of the most important steps toward a healthy career and a balanced life. For a long time, saying yes to every request felt like the only way to succeed. But over time, this habit caused stress, burnout, and frustration. This changed the day I finally said no. Before setting boundaries, I often found myself overwhelmed with extra tasks. I said yes to late-night emails, weekend work, and taking on projects outside my role. I thought this would show dedication and help me grow. Instead, it made me exhausted and less productive. Saying no was not easy at first. It felt uncomfortable and risky. What if my boss or colleagues thought I was not a team player? What if I missed an important opportunity? But I realized that without limits, my work and well-being would suffer. The first step was understanding what my real priorities and limits were. I asked myself, what work is essential? When do I need rest? How much time can I dedicate without hurting my health or personal life? Next, I communicated my boundaries clearly and respectfully. I told my team and manager that I needed to focus on key tasks and could not take on extra work that would affect quality or deadlines. I suggested alternatives or asked for help when needed. This made my boundaries clear without sounding negative. Gradually, I noticed positive changes. I felt less stressed and more in control. My work improved because I had time to focus. I started enjoying my job again and found more energy for my personal life. Setting boundaries also helped others respect my time. People stopped expecting immediate replies during off hours. Meetings became more efficient. I learned that saying no is not selfish. It is a way to protect my professional growth and personal happiness. If you feel overwhelmed or taken for granted at work, remember that saying no is a powerful tool. It shows you value your work and yourself. Start small. Say no to one extra task or request this week. Notice how it feels and adjust as needed. From the day I said no, my career changed for the better. I gained respect, focus, and peace of mind. Boundaries are not barriers. They are bridges to a sustainable and fulfilling career.